Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these professional PowerPoint slides. First, I want to thank all of you for your support. It's what motivates me to keep making more tutorials like this. Enough talking, let's jump right in. First, delete the current slide and insert a new blank slide. Go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and insert a rectangle. Draw it like this. Now select the rectangle and duplicate it twice by pressing Ctrl+D. Position the rectangles to divide the slide into 3 equal parts. Make sure there are no spaces between them. Once done, select each rectangle one by one, go to the Shape Format tab, click on Shape Fill, and choose a color. Also, set the shape outline to No Outline for all of them. Now that we're done, let's add our 3 main topic pictures. Go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and select your PNG images to insert them one by one. Resize each image to match its rectangle. Follow the same steps for the rest of your images. If you don't have PNG images with transparent backgrounds, you can remove them using the Remove Background option under the Picture Format tab. However, using PNG images makes the process much easier. Now I've inserted all my topic pictures and placed them neatly inside the rectangles. Next, duplicate the slide by right-clicking it and selecting Duplicate Slide. On the duplicated slide, select the last 2 rectangles and make them smaller like this. Also, resize their images to match the new rectangle size. Now select the first rectangle and expand it to fill the remaining space. Resize the first image to make it larger, matching the size of the rectangle. Go to the Insert tab and click on Text Box to add your first topic. Let's make some changes. Select the text and give it a font style and color. Then increase the font size. Place it in the middle. Add another text box for the description. Let's make this font size smaller and set the alignment to Justify. Again, right-click on the slide and duplicate it. On the duplicated slide, delete the previous text. Let's make our first picture and rectangle smaller. Then make the second rectangle and image larger. Add your new topic and description by inserting new text boxes from the Insert tab. Duplicate the slide again and delete the previous text boxes. Make the second image and rectangle smaller. Then make the third image and rectangle larger. Add the final topic and description. Now we are done. The final step is to add the Morph transition. Go to the Transitions tab and apply Morph to every slide. Set the duration to 1.50 seconds. Let's see the final slideshow. Perfect. I'm sure this will really impress your teacher. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know your ideas in the comment section.